In today's video, we're covering this building behind us. We're going to do a demolition. Today we're in Cicero, Indiana, and we're getting ready to demo this post frame building behind me. So this building is being used for sludge. They dry it out in there, and now they're going to update the system for it. So we're going to take 40 foot of this building, tear it down, and then they're going to put a new end wall in, and then they're going to build another building lower and smaller in front of it. So what we're going to be doing is we go up, first of all, we take the metal roofing off. We get down to the skeleton of it, the bones of the project, the structure, and we will take and section it off with chainsaws so the crane can come in and they'll take out 3 to 4 trusses at a time, swing them down the ground. We cut them up in pieces, put them in dumpsters, and truck them out of here. So for today and the next few days, we're going to be tearing trusses out. The contractor is going to go in and tear out concrete stuff inside. Then we'll come back in and take the 3 walls down and get that completely opened up. But just for this week only, we're just concentrating on getting trusses down, cut up, and cleaned up and out of here. That way, if this project, the general contractor can get in and do their part inside. So if you like this video, just stay tuned, then subscribe, and wait for the next one.